roller skaters. I am sharing part number 2 of our basic shuffle skating routine because people were interested in part number 1. And this is the second part. If you haven't seen part number 1 yet, please check it out. I'll put the link to that in the description down below. And also the links to other videos about basic shuffle skating. If you aren't already familiar with the basics of shuffle skating, you want to get familiar with it, with the rhythm, with how you bounce and how you flow with your skating. But then you can add some little things, and this is just our second part. Each part 1 and part 2, are designed for like going down the straightaway of the rink, like you're just doing your crossovers around the turn, and then down the straightaway doing one or the other part of the routine. So you can adapt this to your space. If you're in a bigger rink, smaller rink, basketball court, tennis court, parking lot, whatever, you can lengthen or shorten it up as you need to, based on your stride and everything. First I'll show it, and then I'll break it down. All right?
See it.
So we're just shuffling around, coming around the corner.
Scissor, scissor, turn around, moonwalk, back out.
To the corner.
I see.
So I'm just going around the turn like a normal kind of a rhythm. And as I come out, I swing out, right heel in front, left heel in front, right heel in front, turn, push back on the right toe, left toe, right toe, turn, and then I'm back to my corner.
I see.
All right, so I'm gonna try this slow again. As I come around, I swing the right.
On the heel wheels.
On the heel, swing the left. On the heel, swing the right. On the heel, turn right. Push back, right toe, left toe, right toe, turn right. And now I'm back at my turn. I'm doing my crossovers. I'll try to do this slowly again. It's actually a little more challenging to do it slowly. So you're crossing and pushing right heel, left heel, keeping the knees soft, right heel, turn right, push back on the right toe, left toe, right toe, turn right, and you're back into your turn.
Cool.
All right? Let's do part 1 from the previous video.
Ah.
Back up at tempo.
It's nice.
Yeah, coming around.
In the turn.
Now we're going to come into part 2, coming around the corner after the crossover.
Yeah.
Yeah, all right. Try to put on some music that has a nice even sort of 4/4 beat. Part 1 again. And around.
Yeah.
Shuffling around, same direction. Coming into the turn. 1, part 2.
Yeah.
So as you can see, it's not super complicated. All these movements are pretty simple. These are simple movements. It's just getting comfortable doing them to the beat of a song so that you're on the rhythm with the music, whatever kind of music you like. Some people like a faster beat, a little slower, kind of a R&B sort of beat is usually a little easier at first. So that's just something to try. I hope y'all like that. Please let us know in the comments. And we now have a shop. I'm wearing one of the shirts from the new shop that we have, different kinds of shirts and other items. So I'll put the link to that, and there's a forum and the shop page too. I'll put a link to that site down in the description below as well. So please check it out and let us know if you are liking these shuffle skate videos and want to see more of them, or if you're more interested in park skating, or maybe you like all of it, outdoor adventures. Please let us know in the comments, and please like and subscribe. Thanks.
Bye.
Bye.